It's learning time! Today we're learning about number 7. Here is the number 7. Can you say it? 7. Let's say it one more time. 7. Now count with me to make the number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 blocks. Let's see the other ways 7 can be represented. We have 7 fingers. Here we have 7 on a 10 frame. And here is 7 on the dice. We have 7 on a number line. Here is 7 on a domino. And we have 7 on a numicon. Here is 7 in word. Great job. Now let's practice writing the number 7. You start from the top, take it back to make a dash, and down to make a slant. So to write the number 7, you need a dash and a slant. Let's see if you can identify number 7 in this picture. We have number 7 on the rock. Number 7 on the tree. And number 7 on the hill. Very good. Keep practicing to identify number 7 in different ways. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.